The grill comes with a drain nozzle and hose that is designed to channel any water that enters the grill to a drain location. Below the grease tray and slide out plate, there is a hole in the clean out area where the nozzle needs to be installed. Reach under the control panel and you will find the opening which is indicated below. Insert the hexagon plug into the access hole that is located in the clean out area of the grill. Install the nozzle from underneath and tighten. Attach the drain hose to the nozzle. Place a suitable container under the grill to capture the water. You can also connect to a drain pipe if available. Another option is to drain straight out on the ground. This concludes drain installation.